Hello guys, and welcome to the SMC trading series. And my name is Summer, and we will dive deep into the core concepts of smart money concepts and how institutional really move the markets. If you are tired of fast breakouts, random indicators, and losses, this series will change your trading game. In today's video, we will bring with the most fundamental concepts of all. What is trend? So the first chapter always will be the trend, and let's jump in. So a trend is simply the direction in which the market is moving over time. But in smart money concepts, we don't just look at it up or down. We analyze the structure and intentions behind the movement. So I am gonna need to explain you what is trend. So if you see there is an support area or weekly low or and daily low, so the price is rejecting from this area. So we will need like this lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Okay. So this is the downtrend, and at this area something is happening, and the sellers are not as much as powerful to break this area. It's sometimes it's a FEG, sometimes it's a support zone or a resistance zone. So after that we will need to see the price is changing its direction and making the move into higher highs. So this is the higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, then higher low, then higher high. So this will continue to go up. So this is called the trend. So you can see the price is moving upward. So this is the uptrend, this was the downtrend. And what moved the trend is the area in which the most buyers and the sellers are sitting. Okay guys, so this is simple, and don't get it too complicated. It is very easy to understand. And after that, I will also tell you example. A trend is simply the direction in which the market is moving over time. But in smart money concept, we don't just look at it up or down. We analyze the structure and the intention behind the movement. So in the uptrend, where price makes the higher highs and higher lows, and in the downtrend, price will make the lower lows and lower highs. But in the sideways market, you should always avoid price is ranging. Like this area, price is ranging, then continue to go up. So in this structure of gold, we are seeing trend is up, and here we have a second thing. What is structure? So structure is also is in the trend where price is making higher lows, higher highs, higher high, higher low, higher highs, higher lows. So you can mark this also by this tool: higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, then again higher high, then again higher low. So it will continue to go up till we will face a resistance area. Okay. So this is a simple explanation of SMC series. We will make another video on in the second episode, what is BOS, what is choke, and how the market structure move, and how we can get the entries at the better areas, and what is the premium and the discount zones. So today is just an introduction, and we will explain it further in the next video or in the next episode. So stick with me in the master class of SMC series, and I'm gonna make a playlist of all the SMC series. This is just an introduction class, and kindly like and subscribe my YouTube channel for further playlist to arrive, and it will also give me a motivation to make more videos for my audience. Thank you guys, and good luck with your trading.